Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Facebook Pixel from Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Facebook Pixel from your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. Then select Preferences from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. Here, you will see the option related to your Facebook Pixel ID. If you see an input field with a Pixel ID, remove it completely. After clearing the Pixel ID, Shopify will no longer track visitor data using that pixel. Next, to ensure all settings are saved, scroll to the bottom and click on Save. If you have installed any third-party apps to manage your Facebook Pixel, navigate to those apps. Open each app to check for any individual settings related to the Facebook Pixel. Disable or remove the Pixel settings in those apps as well. It's also a good practice to clear your website cache to prevent any residual tracking. To do this, go to your theme settings in the Shopify admin. Select Actions and choose Edit Code. Look for the theme.liquid file and check for any remaining Pixel code. Remove any code snippets related to the Facebook Pixel if they exist. After making these changes, save your edits. Finally, test your website to confirm that the Facebook Pixel is no longer active. You can use the Facebook Pixel Helper extension on your browser to ensure everything is properly disabled. This ensures that you can browse your store without any Facebook tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.